So we're in the process of disassembling this deck. Here when we bought the house, I've gotten about half the deck boards off. Deck boards are mostly rotted. Removed all the railings. And here's what we're finding. Most of these joists are rotted out. You can see right here there's some kind of reinforcement put in. Pretty much not much there. Right? The header here against the house, totally rotted out. Found it in here. I found an ant colony that's been coming into our house every spring. There are no beams in this construction. It's only posts and header. The posts are notched, and the outer joists are sat right into the notches on the 4x4 posts. So there's really nothing laterally stabilizing this whole thing. And the joists are, all the downward force is on the joists. And then there's nothing holding the joists. There's a post right here in the middle. And then there's these joists span probably 8 feet, more than 8 feet, at least 10 feet, which also is way too long for these joists. These are 2x6s. So that's where we're at. I'm going to try to keep tearing this thing apart without wrecking myself. Later.